नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVWU. Today topic is Calcarea Floric Medicine. Common name fluoride of lime, fluorspar, a powerful tissue remedy for heart, stony glands, varicose, and enlarged veins, and malnutrition of bones. Hard notes in female breast, goiter, congenital hereditary syphilis, in duration threatening separation. Many cases of cataract have undoubtedly been influenced favorably by it. Congenital syphilis manifesting itself in ulcerating of mouth and throat, caries and necrosis with boring pains and heat in parts, arteriosclerosis, threatened epilepsy, tuberculosis. Used after operation, the tendency to adhesion is reduced. Mind symptom, great depression, groundless, fear of financial ruin. Head symptom, creaking noise in head, blood tumor of newborn infants, hard excrescence of the scalp, on the scalp with callus, hard edges, eye symptom, flickering and sparks before the eyes, spots on the cornea, conjunctivitis, cataract, strumous, filentemular keratitis, subcutaneous palpebral cyst, ear symptom, calcareous deposit on tympanum, sclerosis of ossicula and petrous portion of temporal bone with deafness, ringing and roaring, chronic suppuration of middle ear, nose symptom, cold in head, stuffy cold, dry coryza, uzina, copious, offensive, thick, greenish, lumpy, yellow, nasal cataract, atrophic rhinitis, especially if crusts are prominent, face symptom, heart swelling on the cheek with pain or toothache, heart swelling on jawbone, mouth symptom, gum boil with heart swelling on the jaw, cracked appearance of the tongue with or without pain, induration of the tongue, hardening after inflammation, unnatural looseness of the teeth with or without pain, teeth become loose in their socket, toothache with pain if any food touch the tooth, stomach symptom, throat symptom, follicular sore throat, plug of mucus are continually forming in the crypts of tonsils, pain and burning in throat, better by warm drinks, worse by cold drinks, hypertrophy of Lascaux tonsil, relaxed vulva, tickling, refer to larynx, stomach symptom, vomiting of infants, vomiting of undigested food, hiccup, flatulency, weakness and daintiness of appetite, nausea and distress after eating in young children who are overtaxed by studies, acute indigestion from fatigue and brain fag, much flatulence. This session by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.